Hey Total Wellness Fuel family, today I am taking on the challenge of incorporating chia seeds into my daily diet for a whole month to see if they really can change my life. Join us on this journey to better health and well-being. Your support means everything. By liking, subscribing, and sharing our videos, you become an essential part of our wellness community. Today, I want to talk to you about a tiny but mighty superfood that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, chia seeds. With their impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefits, it's no wonder why many health enthusiasts are raving about them. But can they really live up to the hype? That's what we're going to explore in this video. Attention! If you want to transform your health with the Home Doctor, practical medicine for every household. This essential ebook is your guide to managing common health issues at home. Click the link in the description to order now from their official website and take charge of your well-being today. Let's face it, many of us struggle with maintaining a healthy lifestyle. We're constantly on the go, and it's easy to fall into the trap of relying on convenient but nutrient-poor foods. As a result, we might experience energy crashes, digestive problems, or even weight gain. Poor nutrition can affect not just our physical health, but also our mental well-being and productivity. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break, but what if I told you that there's a simple solution that can help turn things around? Take, for instance, the story of Emily, who was struggling to keep up with her demanding work schedule. She felt sluggish and tired all the time, and no matter how much coffee she drank, she just couldn't seem to shake off the fatigue. That was until she discovered chia seeds. By incorporating them into her daily smoothies, she noticed a significant boost in energy and mental clarity. She was able to tackle her tasks with renewed enthusiasm and even started taking on new projects. It's amazing how such a small change can have a profound impact on our daily lives. From weight management to heart health, chia seeds have been touted as a miracle food. But what makes them so special? For starters, they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber, making them an excellent addition to a plant-based diet. Chia seeds have also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, support healthy digestion, and even provide a natural energy boost. The best part? They're incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. You can add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. One of the things I love about chia seeds is their versatility. You can soak them in water to make a nutritious gel-like substance, or sprinkle them on top of your salads for an added crunch. They're also a great addition to homemade granola or energy bars. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite recipes with you in future videos. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share a personal story that really drove home the benefits of chia seeds for me. I have a friend who suffered from severe digestive issues for years. She tried every medication and treatment under the sun, but nothing seemed to work. That was until she started incorporating chia seeds into her diet. Within a few weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her symptoms, and eventually, she was able to manage her condition without medication. It was a game changer for her, and it made me realize the incredible potential of chia seeds. In summary, chia seeds are a powerful tool that can help you overcome common health challenges and achieve a better quality of life. They're nutritious, easy to incorporate into your diet, and have the potential to make a significant impact on your health. So, if you're looking to upgrade your nutrition and energy levels, I highly recommend giving chia seeds a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the link of the amazing ebook in the description, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried chia seeds before? What are some of your favorite ways to incorporate them into your diet? Be sure to check out our next video on superfoods and healthy eating, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on nutrition and wellness.